Hello friends, today in this session we are going to learn informations and system management for the UGC Net management and commerce. So there are altogether 20 important exam MCQs. So before starting the sessions, subscribe the channel Target UGC Net Management. Question 1. Which one of the following is considered as a threat to database and database management system? The question is asked in NET 2018. The options are given: firewalls, insertion of viruses, unauthorized access, lockup system failure. So this question is logic questions, okay? And which one of the following is considered as a threat to database and database management systems? Firewalls is what? Is what for protecting, it's not a threat. Insertion of virus, confused, unauthorized access, and lockup system failure. Lockup system failure is an internal problem. So which one of the following is considered as a threat to database and database management? Means you are protecting your data, so nobody can take your data. So the correct option is, the threat is unauthorized access. Okay, easy questions. This question is logic questions. Question 2. Which is the most suitable domain extensions for an Indian NGO to do e-business? Again in NET 2014, the options are given .gov, .com, .us, .org. Very easy questions. So for the if the website is of any government, Indian government, then at the last it will be .gov. For example, www.india.gov and .com. No, for this is for the e-commerce business like facebook.com, amazon.com, .us. This is for the, I think this is for the United States, and at last .org. So the correct option is option 4. Which is the most suitable domain extensions for an Indian NGO to do e-business is .org. Easy. Question 3. Again in NET 2017, a graphic tool to trace the interactions of several workers with one machine is. Options are given: operation chart, flow process chart, activity chart, gang process chart. A graphic tool to trace the interactions of several computers with one machine is gang process chart. What is gang process chart? It is a chart to reduce the idle machine time, okay? To reduce idle machine time. Question 4. Which is the new IT rules of Indian government 2021? So recently in the news, you all have heard about the privacy policy of related to the WhatsApp, right? So that is the new IT rules. So the new IT rules are, what are they? The options are given: Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code 2021, Data Mining Act 2021, Crypto Act, E-Business Act 2021. So which is the new IT rules of Indian government 2021? So the new IT rules is option 1, Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Codes 2021. Easy? Question 5. Again in NET 2014, this question was asked. Match the following. This question is little hard questions, but if you know that the types of network topology consists of ring, bus, star, mesh, right? So the options will go with network topology will go with ring. So D1. See? So A wireless networking will go with infrared. networking devices will go with network repeater, and network models will go with TCP IP layer protocol. Very easy questions. Okay, network topology, ring. So the correct option is from the D1. Okay, next question. Question 6. Net 2014, this question was asked. Which of the following online analytical processing OLAP functions refers to the process to choose the dimensions of analysis to suit analyst viewpoint? Options are given: clustering, drilling, scattering, slicing, and dicing. The correct option is slicing and dicing. So what is slicing and dicing? Slicing is dividing, okay? And dicing is how view of data, okay? So remember this point: slicing and dicing. Slicing is dividing and dicing is viewing the data. Next question. Match the following. Important questions, very important questions, and even this question is hard, okay? And just solve it. So what does VRML stands for? Virtual Reality Modeling Language. It is a language to develop 3D hypermedia. So B will go with option 2. B2. And always remember, neural networks are related to artificial intelligence. C3. And if fuzzy logic is related to cognitive science application. So what is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is related to solving semi-structured problem. Okay, and robotics is a combination of AI, physiology, and engineering. So the correct option is robotics. No. So the correct option is no, not this one. So the correct option is 1, 2, 3, 4, because we are virtual reality modeling language is related to a language to develop 3D hypermedia. Neural networks is always related to artificial intelligence. Physiologic is cognitive science applications, and robotics is combinations of AI, physiology, and engineering. So the correct option is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, not this. Next question. Again, this question was asked in NET 2014. Question 8. What separates the physical aspects of data storage from logical aspect of data representations? Options are given: sigma, data, constraints, relationship. So the correct option is constraints. Okay. Next question. Question 9. What are the impact of technology on business? Options are given: reduce operating cost, new product and development of new markets, enhance service to customers, all of the above. So impact of technology on business is what? It will enhance service to customer through new product and development through, and even it will reduce the operating cost. So the correct option is all of the above. Easy. Question 10. What are big data? So big data is what? Data in range of petabyte and exabyte with no precise quantity, true. Billion to trillions of records, true. And it doubles every time, true. Because the users keep input the data every time. Okay, so the correct option is all of the above. Question 11. Decision support system model is based on three phases. That is very important question. Okay, very important questions. Options are given: intelligent, choice, design, system. And the correct option is 1, 2 and 3: intelligence, choice and distant. And again remember, okay, there may be another question in net. Arrange the following in the sequence order. Okay, so always remember, first is intelligence, second is choice, and the third is design. Question 12. Which is not characteristics of data warehouse? Options are given: it is non-volatile data, carries data of inter-organizations, it is time variant data, it is volatile data. So which is not the characteristics of data warehouse? The characteristics of data warehouse is not, it is not volatile data. Okay, it is volatile data. No, yes, this one is the wrong. Okay, it's not the characteristic. So data warehouse characteristic is that it is non-volatile data, carries data of inter-organizations, and it is time variant data. Okay, data warehouse is volatile data. It is wrong. It is non-volatile data. Understood? Question 13. Again, this question was asked in NET. So what is blockchain in the field of informational technology? Options are given: motherboard protection device, protections of details of electronic transactions, taking random snaps of electronic transactions, blocking continuous electronic transactions. The correct option is, what is blockchain in the field of IT? It is not related to motherboard protections, protections of details of electric transactions, yes. Taking random snaps of electric transaction, false. And blocking continuous electronic transactions, no. So blockchain is protections of details of electronic transactions. Okay. Question 14. Very important questions. Okay, very important questions. Who developed decision making process model? As we studied before, decision making consists of three phases: intelligence, choice and design. And who developed the decision making process model? It was developed by, not even by F.W. Taylor, not even by Eric Berne, not even by Gussetts. It was developed by Hermann Simon. Okay, remember this. Okay, important questions. Question 15. What are V of big data? Options are given: volume, velocity, variety, veracity. So the V's of big data are volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Okay, remember this, all four. So volume stands for scale of data, velocity stands for analysis of data, variety stands for different form of data, veracity stands for uncertainty of data. Remember this point. Okay, and the correct option is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 16. Which of the following is wrong? You are giving these options: strategic information system and decision structure, strategic management, decision support system, unstructured, tactical management, management information system, semi-structure, operation management, transaction processing system, multi-structure. So out of this, which is wrong? So before going to the answer, let's study what are these. Okay. So for the strategic management, there is a decision structures and information system, and in the top there is strategic management. For the strategic management, decision structure is unstructured, and information system is decision support system, because they are taking decision at the top. And then the second is tactical management. They are related to the same structures, and the information system is MIS, management information system. And in the operation management, the lower, it is related to the structures, and information system is transaction processing system. Okay, so the wrong, which of the following is wrong? It is operation management. Transaction processing system is also right, but decision structure is wrong. Okay, so the option 3 is wrong. So what should be here? Only structure. Okay, next question. Yeah, recently this question was asked in NET 2020. An information system that captures and records fundamental business event is an, options are given: transaction processing system, executive information system, decision support system, or expert system. So the correct answer is an information system that captures and records fundamental business event is transaction processing system. Okay, easy question. Question 18. Again, this question was asked in NET 2019. Which of the following information system at the management level of an organization serves the functions of planning, controlling, and decision making by providing routine summary and exception reports? The options are given: MIS, artificial intelligence system, executive support system, or DSS. So remember always the point related to the routine summary and exception reports are related to management information system. So the correct answer is MIS. Okay. Next question. Match the following. NET 2016. So very easy questions. Let do the answer from the option D. Okay, login allowed only to internal people. So internal people, so your answer is intranet and extranet, right? So the option is D2. Okay, so A will go with 3. Stock files that are placed in a warehouse as a record is known as master file. Process of managing goods in most sensible way is related to stock control, and management information system is related to daily report. So the correct answer is 3 4 Okay, very easy questions. Try to solve it from the option D. Okay, question 20, the last question of this session. Again, this question was asked in NET 2015. So what is DNS? DNS stands for domain name system. Okay, remember this full form. And FTP stands for file transport transfer protocol, file transfer protocol. Okay, so 4-part numeric address indicating a unique computer locations on internet is IP address. A will go with option 3. And if you look at the code, D will go with a tool that enables the users to locate information stored on internet servers through a series of easy to easy hierarchical menu is related to D2 Goofer. Tool for retrieving and transferring file from a remote computer is related to file transfer protocol. C will go with 4. Okay, and a hierarchical system of services maintaining database enabling the conversion of domain names of their IP address will go with domain name system. Okay, so the correct option is 3142. Okay, try to remember this full form and again this FTP full form. Okay, very easy questions, right? So altogether 20 questions is there that is asked in the previous year examinations. If you practice these questions, of course you will crack UGC Net management. And at last, thank you for watching the video. If you like the session of management and information system, like and subscribe target UGC Net management. Thank you.